Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna adjust a little bit the window. Did that too fast. Right here. All right. Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome on Crypto Mercy. Hope everyone is well. Very nice to see you again. Today, we're gonna figure out how to find a bull flag pole, which is important because we can anticipate future price with all those information. But first, the intro. All right, welcome back, everyone. First, I just want to show you how you can help the channel. Thanks, everyone, to like and post a comment. Much appreciated. If you can smash the like button and ring the bell if you want to get noticed when I'm coming back to with a new video. If you want to check here, to help me, it's always under the description. You will see that I have my referral link here if you want to download the MAIAR wallet to stake eGOLD. And also, this is my link to on TradingView. And if you want to send eGOLD to, you can do it. My euro tag on MAIAR wallet is Nostradamus, and my eGOLD address is right there. Thanks, guys. All right, cool. Today we're gonna try to find. I had a lot of question about this. How you can, how you catch a specific price? How can you predict where we are going? How do you do? And today, I think one things that we must go over is how to find a bull, a pole flag, the pole of a bull flag, which is very important. And I know people are seeing me, and like here, we have a pole, and always put the bottom of my pole on the last, on the lowest point of the pattern. And some people are asking me why. It's because we don't know where the pattern's gonna break out, and I try to anticipate at a minimum where the price can go. But one thing's to be to know that is very important for you is that the pole must be you must bring the pole right on the bottom of the breakout, where the breakout start of the pattern. Like you see here, this was our huge bull flag, and we break out from here, and the pattern, this bull flag is bringing us around 323. Okay. Also, I did that. Let's see. I did that here too to figure out a minimum price target for the next breakout, which was around 311. But in reality, is that we're gonna have to bring this pole where the breakout begins. If the breakout begins right here, here we go. You see the correlation that we have? It's a perfect correlation, and it gives us 323. But where the breakout's gonna happen, we don't know yet. It's why we just I rather put this on the lowest point, because the lowest point anyway can change. The lowest point can be here around 194, 195, like I told you before. It's possible that we test this support, but it's not sure. Okay, this will change probably the target, but this is just to try to anticipate. And anyway, it's why like, just want to show you here, it's very important. You're gonna understand that. It's very easy. Here, I did the same. I don't know if you remember on it's a video. I mean, maybe the video that I did a couple of weeks ago. But here was the breakout of this pattern right there. Let's put myself on the 3 day. Okay, I created this pole right here. Let's put this in white for you. This is gonna be easier for you to see. And I anticipate the price to go there. But what happened is that a lot of people are putting selling targets on the top of the pole, but they don't really know where the breakout happens, and they don't even care about it because they know they're gonna probably miss a certain percentage of the breakout, but they're sure that they're gonna have some profits. And this is exactly what happened right there. We add this pole from here, cut, paste. I bring this on the right on the bottom, okay, of the lowest low of the pattern. And we have exactly the rejection that we had. We fall at that price right there. Okay, this is but in reality, we should bring this white pole right up there to figure out the target of this pole, the real target, because the breakout happened right there. Okay, you're following me? Okay, which mean right here is the real target of this pole right there. 292, something like this, maybe a little bit lower if you want to play safe. I'm not sure that I'm exactly on it. Let's try to figure out. Maybe go a little closer. It was lower. Anyway, it's approximative. And when you do this, always put your exit target under, this is a safe target. And also, you can add to this the Fibonacci. Okay, here, let's see if we have any correlation with the Fibonacci. Let's go here and here. And we add this exit Fibonacci target, which was coming from here. And right there, we don't have any correlation. It's why, here it was the target of this pole was real. And I mean, a lot of sellers were there anyway because the 161.8 was there. And let's figure out, okay, right here. But if we break out, be sure that we're gonna stop around 285 and 290. Okay, it's probably our next stop. It's why it's always great to do this right there. You remember I put this pole from here, which was a breakout right there, and you bring this pole right here. Okay, because the pole, the breakout is happening from here exactly. Okay, made to play safe, to figure out target before and try to anticipate. You can do this too. All right. It's always those to tell you that to be able to find some pole. What is really important is to find the place where the pattern really break out. And here you see it really break out from there on the weekly, on the 10 days. We have maybe a better target. You see we're still there. Maybe a little bit higher. But anyway, if we stay on the 5 day, we have a clear breakout from there. And this was a triangle pattern, or it's possible that it was a bull flag too, because I have two touch on the roof, on the floor here. And this is what we are always looking for. And let's see on the 12 hours on the daily chart. Yeah, breakout really happened there. You know, we had some resistance up there, but you finally break out for real right here. It's why we are able to figure out that our pole really started there. And now we try to anticipate at least the minimum target of the pole, which is going to be here, right there. Okay. Let's figure out. Okay, a little bit. And no, yeah, right there. Okay. And here we will be able to figure out after the real destination, probable destination, after this bull flag here it is sorry, how I can say that where this bull flag is breaking out. If this bull flag is breaking out right there, the 18th of April, the 19th of April will be here probably. Okay, the real target will be around 320, something like this. Okay, I'm pretty sure you are understanding all this pretty well. Anyway, this is important to find to be able to find the pole, to figure out where the price broke out, or in English, or breakout really. Here it's pretty easy to figure out right there. You see that push after we confirm right there. You see same stuff. That's the pole. Okay, this was the minimum target, which we were right on. We're close to I mean, maybe we missed this by a couple of millimeters, but let's figure out on right here. Let's take this out right there, a little bit lower. Anyway, it's always better to play safe and put some your exit a little bit before. And if you're able to catch the breakout and figure out this long candle right here, you know that the breakout happened approximately from here, right there on top there, and you are able to figure out the real target for this one, which is 287 right here, 287 and 286. Okay. And this is cool. This is gonna help you a lot, I think, because it's pretty nice to see those pattern and to figure out everything. Here we have this breakout right there. We had another breakout right here. Okay, let's figure. I'm on the 2-day right now. Let's figure out. Okay. Sometimes you have to be careful because you see this was an ascending triangle, but it was possible to be a bull flag too. But you know, the pattern here look a lot like an ascending triangle right here. But this was, you know, easy to find because you see right there the retracement. And if you go on the 6 hours, let's figure out 6 hours. This was a perfect bull flag right here. Okay. You do this like that, and you see the bull flag right here. And the breakout happens really from there. Let's see where it's bringing us. When I put myself on the weekly, it's harder to see. Sometimes it depends, but like on the 3 days, 3 days is a good spot to find pole for me. Sometimes I used to refer to this chart, to this time frame. Sorry. Okay, right here, I'm bringing this there to figure out. And here we go. We find the last high right there. And now we try to find the real breakout points from here. And we bring this up there. And we know that we're going to rise around 287 to 290. Okay, really cool. Really cool. And this is going to really help you, I think. Might gonna show you on another chart sometimes, but now we just try. And anyway, after you found those pattern, which is really those projections, sorry, you only need after this to put your Fibonacci and try to figure out is if there is some correlation for the possible targets of and here we don't know yet, is it like really the end of the third wave if you use Elliott wave? Is it really the end of the third wave and we are on the fourth one? Okay, and we're gonna try to find the fifth wave. Let's do that. Or maybe on the 2 day. All right. We have this right there. Okay, I'm gonna redo the extension Fibo for you. It's educative here today. It's pretty cool for you. Just take some notes. Bottom, top. Oh, didn't work. Sorry. Okay, bottom here, top of 1, bottom of 2, and you would like to find a possible destination for the next wave. Gonna take this out right here. Just try to find my Fibo right there. Okay, 2 here, and you bring this to the lowest point of your wave 4 to try to find your fifth wave, your wave 5. The destination of wave 5 are usually the 100 of Fibonacci or the 161. Okay, and you can try to figure out different possibilities, which is really cool. You know, it's fine too. It's like a quest or and you bring your bottom of 4 on support, and you can test this target 273, 323. Oh, this is coinciding with the pole that we okay. If we don't go lower, 334, 284. Okay. Okay, let's pretend we are gonna go test 195. Okay, let's pretend that. Just want to be sure to be at a good place. Right here. Oh, I'm just gonna redo all this to be sure that I don't made any error. Bottom of 0, top of 1. This was the bottom of 2. Okay, and pretend that this will be the bottom of 4. Okay, which will give us something like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there on the support, and 5 after that. Okay, we will have this destination or this destination at 326. And if we are not going lower at all, then and this was the lowest point that we will go on this wave 4 retracement, you have a possible target at 285 or 335 right there. And now you can try to figure out some correlation, like I said. Let's do that. Okay, let's pretend that this is, okay, we're not gonna go lower. Let's pretend that. Or no, let's do the opposite. I see that we are retracing a little bit, and okay, let's try to figure out that we're gonna test right here at the bottom of wave 4. Maybe yeah, on the candle close, something like this. Okay, cool. All right. Okay, let's take this out for now. And let's try to pretend that we let's try to figure out destination now for this pole. Top of the pole, breakout happen here. Okay, you remember I put this this was the breakout point of this triangle up there. Okay, and now you bring 2 days gonna be easier. Okay, all right. Cut V. Okay, we have, and let's pretend that the breakout's gonna happen tomorrow. Okay, let's pretend it's gonna happen tomorrow on the top. Okay, here, around here. Back on the on the daily, try to find all the wicks, to catch all the wicks. Okay, and let's pretend 19th of February on the top of the roof. And oh, here we go. Let's see. We are catching a correlation here at this price, which is a possible destination that that can not be made in only one shot. But what I mean is that there's some probability that we're gonna go around this point right there. And if we take the lowest point, okay, people might gonna exit around here to exit safely around 312. Okay, because not everyone's gonna catch the breakout point because it's not so easy. It's why it's always easier to figure out this target. And anyway, if you exit at this target, let's see how much you'll be able anyway to catch 52%, 53% of profits, which is not so bad. Okay, and here we were able to figure out that we broke out from there. We add this pole from here. Let's put this one in yellow. Okay, we bring this up here. We find 161.8. You remember 161.8 from the bottom of wave 2, which is here, 0, 1, 2. And we find the top right here with this pole. And we are able now to figure out that we broke out from there. And we have this target that we should watch, 287, 290, something like this. This will probably have some resistance up there. Resistance. And let's figure out this small wave from here. 1, 2. Okay. This is the 423.6 Fibonacci, which is a very nice target for a wave 3. Very nice target. Usually 161.8, 261.8, and 361.8. But 423.6 is a possible target also for those wave. But anyway, for sure, we have a fib up there. If this intermediate wave is already done right here, it's possible too. But if it's not, we know that there is some resistance at 269 to 292. Okay, those are resistance point. And we have, let's figure out this pole right here. Just for fun. And from here, we have 270 from here. Oh, we're close to the same target that we have up there. It's starting to have a lot of correlation with this, and but this is very nice. And let's do that to see if it's working on a smaller time frame. Just to figure out, here we add this breakout for sure there. We should have a pole from there to there. And if we pretend that this was the no, we didn't. We're not gonna pretend it, but this was the lowest point for me. Before it breakouts, to be able to figure out the minimum breakout, I will had put my pole up there. Okay, and this was the target here. They pushed the price much higher. Okay, exactly. And where was the breakout line for this? Right here. For sure, right there. And we had this target up here, able to catch this resistance top right here. Okay. This was a falling wedge. This is what this was a second wave. It looks like a second wave, a very powerful retracement. But you can try this. Usually, you're finding resistance point, and this is cool to you see the really nice pull from here to there. Okay, breakout point here. I was able to find this resistance up there. Cool, huh? You see? That I was able. I didn't play that, but just to show you, here, this can be a pull from there too. Let's see. Approximate, almost on top. You know, it's always cool to figure out. This was more the breakout point of this huge pole right here. Hopalaya. Right here, like I showed you before. Yeah. Breakout from there, or maybe breakout from there too. Let's see. Let's figure out. This is possible too. This was exactly the last resistance that we hit, and the breakout point is here. This will give us a target of. Try to find probabilities. This will help you a lot, but use the fibs, use the Fibonacci to find resistance, support, everything. If we are looking at the super cycle, do we have some correlation here? Okay, we have a super cycle 100 Fibonacci that is at 290, 287. You see we're starting to have some resistance between 270, 294. We'll have a bunch of resistance up there. We have this Fibonacci here for that you see 277, 294. If you bring if your breakout was from here, you see. Anyway, they're all fibs, and all fibs are resistance. And we have this correlation at 292, pretty strong. 294. This is nice to see up there. What else? What else? I think you can enjoy and try to have some fun and test this too right here. Less correlation. Test this one. 271. 311 up there. Those it's too early to call those one here, because what happened, this is for sure a 1 2 3 1 2 3. I mean, it can be a 1 2 3 because this was the 161.8, but it's possible that 1 2 3 4 5 here, 1 2 3 4 5 from there. Okay, and we did this up there, and this is the top of the wave 3. We are now on 4 and we're going on 5. This is a possible scenario that I show you. We must consider this, and let's put another color for that. Okay, this is a possible scenario too, and we are trying to find probably 274, 280, 280, 282, 283 for this wave 4, or it can even go to 327 because wave 5 can do 261.8 too. It happens sometimes. Anyway, too early to call. It's why I'm using a poll right now and to pretend, because they're really good. This was very, very nice to be able to catch resistance up there for sure. And it's gonna probably help to catch a resistance up there. And those are breaks, taking profit zones. You can do what you want after and rebuy more, or accumulate, but those are rebuying zone. But thanks for being here, guys. Hope you like. This was very short, but might gonna help you in the future. Try to figure out how we are calculating probable target pole targets from the top to the bottom. Remember that the bottom of the pole is always the breakout point of the pattern, and you should be able to find some gold up there, and be able to but just if you're able to play with the fibs too, to try to figure out resistance, this is gonna help you, and you're gonna find a correlation. And after that, you just play. You just put your exit point on those correlation or the strongest resistance, and wish you luck, guys. Take care. Thanks for being here. I appreciate a lot all the comments and all the everyone that like my videos. Sorry for my English. I'm learning. I'm still getting. Sometimes I'm good. Sometimes I'm bad. Like today, I'm kind of bad. Anyway, I'm having fun. I'm really happy to be here. Cheers.